Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Drake, here from the UnlockBoot official YouTube channel, and in today's video we are tackling a hot topic for you guys: how to unlock your AT&T iPhone 16 using just your IMEI number. If you're able to get your hands on an iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, or 16 Pro Max, and it just so happens to be carrier locked to AT&T, we've got the easy solution for you. It is very fast and cost effective. Let's get right into it with these first few steps. So the first step will be to head to our website. The link will be down in the description below, to store.unlockboot.com. Once you are here, you are going to go to the iPhone Unlock section and find the unlock service for AT&T iPhone 16. Once you have the service here, the next thing that is needed is our 15-digit IMEI number. This can be found by going to Settings, General, and About on our phone, or we can also go to the dialer app and type in *#06#. Either way, that will give us our IMEI number. Just go ahead and enter that in on the screen as well. Next, we can go ahead and click Unlock Now and go ahead and finalize the checkout process. After checking out, we will then receive an email from UnlockBoot stating our wait time as well as the instructions for finalizing the unlock. And after that allotted time window is over, you will receive one more email that your previously locked iPhone 16 is now fully unlocked, meaning that we are good to go to use it with any carrier in the world. We can verify that this is working now by activating a SIM from any other carrier besides our AT&T one here. As long as we're able to make phone calls and send text messages on our new SIM, we are all good to go. And that is it, guys. Like I said, very simple and easy tutorial for how to factory unlock your iPhone 16 on AT&T. Again, this is a very simple tutorial. If you followed along, you now have a unlocked iPhone 16. If this tutorial helped you guys, please leave us a thumbs up, as we will greatly appreciate it. Signing off, this is Drake with UnlockBoot. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.